Feeling overwhelmed by content creation? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to write blogs, design graphics, narrate videos, and even schedule your posts, all without burning out? In this video, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing content creation for bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and everyday creators. Let's explore how AI can work for you.
Work smarter, create faster. In today's hyper-digital world, the demand for content is insatiable. And for creators, the pressure to produce can be overwhelming. Between writing blog posts, editing videos, designing visuals, and maintaining a consistent social media presence, the modern content creator wears many hats. But now, artificial intelligence is making it possible to take off a few. AI is no longer a futuristic buzzword reserved for Silicon Valley boardrooms. It's become an everyday tool for creators who want to work smarter, not harder. From automating writing tasks to generating custom graphics and narrating videos, AI is transforming the creative process. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. We are witnessing a creative revolution. AI allows solo creators and small teams to compete at a level that was previously only achievable by large media companies. It democratizes content production, making tools that were once expensive and complex now affordable and accessible. Whether you're a part-time blogger or full-time YouTuber, AI equips you with an on-demand assistant capable of brainstorming, producing, and refining your content around the clock. Understanding AI's role in creativity. At its core, AI refers to computer systems that mimic human thinking, processing language, recognizing patterns, and even making decisions. For creators, this translates to tools that can draft an article, design a YouTube thumbnail, generate music, or edit a video. Unlike traditional software, AI adapts and responds to your input. You provide a prompt, topic, an idea, or even a mood, and the AI returns content that's often shockingly accurate and useful. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps, never tires, and always meets the deadline. As tools evolve, AI is learning to anticipate your needs. Platforms now offer predictive writing, intelligent image suggestions, and data-driven insights that refine your creative direction before you even know you need help. This frees up your mind to focus on strategy and storytelling, the heart of any good content. Why creators should care, especially now. In 2025, the digital content space is more saturated than ever. Creators must publish frequently and with high quality just to remain visible. AI offers the edge needed to create more content in less time. Stay consistent despite a packed schedule, compete with teams that have bigger budgets. Those who embrace AI are scaling their platforms and audiences faster. Those who don't may struggle to keep up. This is especially true in social media, where timing, trends, and consistency are crucial. AI helps you capitalize on moments and automate evergreen posts that fill the gaps. More importantly, AI helps eliminate content fatigue. The burnout from constantly having to come up with something new. It gives creators breathing room, letting them produce without compromising quality or creativity. Debunking the myth's myth. AI will replace human creators. Truth, AI handles repetitive tasks. You bring the voice, passion, and originality. Myth, using AI is cheating. Truth, it's a tool, no different from Grammarly or Photoshop. Myth, AI has no soul. Truth, you provide the soul. AI simply helps scale it. In fact, AI often strengthens human creativity. It provides a springboard for new ideas, enhances productivity, and offers new avenues for experimentation that may not have been possible due to time or budget constraints. Meet your creative dream team, top AI tools. Here's a rundown of AI tools empowering creators right now. ChatGPT, generates blog posts, captions, video scripts, and ideas. Galaxy.ai automates full content workflows in InVideo, converts text into polished videos with stock footage and voiceovers. Canva Magic Studio designs social media graphics with drag and drop simplicity. Opus Clip converts long videos into short-form viral content. A content creator could use ChatGPT to write a script, InVideo to produce a video, 11 Labs for the voiceover, and Suno.ai to layer in custom music, all within an hour. What used to take a team of freelancers or in-house staff can now be done solo. Some of these tools are free with limited access. Others offer paid plans that unlock higher quality, commercial licenses, and additional features. The smart approach is to start with what's free and upgrade as your output and needs grow. Workflows made easy. The real magic of AI lies in creating a streamlined workflow tailored to your content type. Bloggers can use ChatGPT for writing and Canva for visuals. Video creators can combine Pika Labs, InVideo, 11 Labs, and Suno for a full production suite. Podcasters can script episodes with ChatGPT, narrate with 11 Labs, and promote using Galaxy.ai. Instead of juggling multiple apps and tools, AI integrates them all into a seamless creative process. A weekly workflow could look like this. Brainstorm with ChatGPT, produce a script and video in InVideo, schedule everything via Galaxy.ai, and use Canva to design and post promotional graphics. This efficiency doesn't just save time. It allows creators to focus more on connecting with their audience and refining their content strategy. Writing, prompting, and polishing prompting. The act of telling AI what to do is a skill in itself. Clear prompts like, write a 300-word blog post on time management for creatives yield better results than vague instructions. The more specific you are about tone, audience, and format, the better the output. Once you've generated content, polish it. Add your personality. Edit for clarity. Inject humor or anecdotes. AI writes drafts. You craft the final product. A useful tip: maintain a personal prompt library. Over time, you'll learn what phrasing gives you the best results. This becomes your creative cheat sheet, improving your speed and consistency. Creating visual and audio content with ease. Designing eye-catching thumbnails or graphics used to require hours of design work. Now, Canva Magic Studio suggests layouts, resizes automatically, and helps maintain brand consistency. Need images? AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate original visuals based on your prompts. Need music? Tools like Suno.ai or SoundRaw create background scores matched to mood, tempo, and format. Want to sound like a professional narrator? 11 Labs lets you generate voiceovers in your own voice or select from studio quality presets. Combining all of these into one project for example, a podcast episode with custom intro music, visuals, transcription, and repurposed blog content takes a few hours instead of days. Short-form video? No problem. If your content strategy includes TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, AI can save you hours. Tools like Opus Clip automatically identify the best moments from long videos and cut them into short, punchy clips. Add captions and formatting, and you're ready to post. No editing experience required. Creators who batch record long-form content and let AI slice it up for social platforms are winning the consistency game. You maintain a presence across multiple platforms with minimal additional effort. Turning AI content into income AI isn't just about creating, it's also about monetizing. Here's how creators are turning automation into revenue. Selling ebooks, guides, or templates generated with ChatGPT and Canva. Creating online courses using AI-written scripts and slide decks. offering freelance services like script writing, voiceovers, or graphics on Fiverr or Etsy. You can even build entire content batches, videos, posts, blogs, pointers in one sitting and schedule them out with tools like Metricool or Buffer. Creators are also building paid newsletters, affiliate marketing pages, and niche YouTube channels, all powered by AI for ideation, production, and management. Building a brand that scales consistency builds trust. With AI, you can create branded templates, automate your social media, and even track what type of content performs best. From writing bios and mission statements to designing cohesive visuals and automating email newsletters, AI can help you present your brand professionally without a marketing team. Think of it as having a full-stack creative agency in your back pocket. You can also use AI to run A/B tests on headlines, visuals, and email subject lines. Learning what resonates with your audience and doubling down on what works. Final takeaway, AI is not the future, it's the present. And for creators, it's a powerful partner in the pursuit of clarity, consistency, and growth. It doesn't replace your creativity, it enhances it. It doesn't remove your voice, it amplifies it. With AI, you don't just keep up, you leap ahead. Whether you're building a personal brand, managing a business, or just creating for fun, the AI tools now at your fingertips can transform your process. This is more than a productivity hack. It's a shift in how we create, connect, and build for the future. Work smarter, create faster, and let AI help you do your best work yet.